Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, we are going to show you on how you can import custom filament profiles in Bambu Studio. So the first thing that you want to do is to open up any projects on Bambu Studio, and it will take us to this page. Simply inside, navigate through the file section, which is going to be this one at the corner of your screen. From here, you then want to click on the export button, import button, and then select the second option, which is going to be the import configs. Now inside this page, it's going to be extremely simple. You just want to navigate through the file that you want to import. Now in my case, I haven't downloaded mine or got mine yet, but once again, you can just navigate into something like downloads, click on your file, and then it will be imported onto our Bambu Studio right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.